This is the Team, I think it's called Team SPL from American Base. I forget. Anyways, American Base sells it for $1,200. This was left by Brooks, who lives over in the West Valley, motorcycle dude. Just left it, never came back. And that was over a year ago. Built it out for them, $700 local. They chose the baboon butthole dust cap. Let's see, FS comes in. Oh, I got to use one of these new Spider-Man Webshooter spiders. I actually like it, even though the FS is a little bit low. I think the guy will really like it. The FS ends up being about 25 hertz, and that's with an 8-layer. I think it's the 8-9 coil from Lord of Base. But let's go ahead and do the VAS. See where that's sitting. Let's see, what did I do? Oh, I pulled it over to the edge. It's kind of heavy. That way the butthole's just not blocked. Well, says it needs more. Sometimes that happens. Just put it over the next room. 721.2. Let me try that. Just lift it up a little bit. Okay, so 4.69, so 4.7 cubic feet is all you need to get down to 24 hertz. Very powerful motor, really effective with the 8-layer. And then I also bolted down the spider landing. What was great about this frame though is it has a 12-inch spider landing availability. So I didn't use it on this one, and we could have. See the space? We could have gone a little bit bigger if we wanted to. I would actually go with a bigger motor, stronger motor than this one if I was going to do 12-inch. I mean, I guess you could have. So then, of course, I'm out of the 4-gauge terminals, so I use the T1, T2 terminals. Pretty good. And just triple leads is plenty good. Again, this guy is putting this in a truck, and he just wanted really low frequency response. So I was like, okay. I was going to use 2 of the Webshooter, which I get from Andrew. I forgot Andrew's last name. He's out there in Oakland, in the Oakland area in California. Damn it. It's bugging me. Anyways, I want to say Andrew Floyd. Yeah, his name's Andrew Floyd. Anyway, he's a good rebuilder out there in Northern California. There's also a couple other ones. Anyways, I'll name them in other videos. But or you, better yet, you just text me, and if you're in that area, I can send you to them. But yeah, that's his spider. He got them made up in China and then send them out. Let me see if I can get a shot of the coil. Can't see the part number on it, but I think it's the 8.9. It ends in 8.9. I also bolted the spider down. Just be aware that sometimes I ran into the spokes, and so I still committed to the process, and then I just used a longer bolt and then just wrenched the fuck out of it. But that's just so that single spider doesn't come up. That's it. You guys can build subs too. Love you.